Hello everyone. While still on my Karnataka series, I'm uploading a few videos on my recent road trip to Kannur. A road trip from Ezharakund to Kannur is not just about reaching a destination, it's about experiencing Kerala in its purest form with all its beauty, culture and charm. The 275-kilometer drive along the NH66 is filled with changing landscapes and surprises around every turn. Many parts of the highway were pretty bad, especially due to construction of flyovers. This led to heavy traffic jams. Thus, a journey that should have been done in 7 to 8 hours took us well over 10 hours. Leaving behind the urban bustle of Ezharakund, we passed through backwaters, coconut groves and sleepy villages. We passed through cities like Thrissur and Kozhikode. By late evening, we had reached Kannur and went on to PAYYANNUR, where we had booked a hotel for the night. Finally, we reached Hotel Archana at PAYYANNUR and had a good night's rest. After all, it's been a long drive considering the time taken to reach here. It's another fine morning and day 2 of my trip. We decided to visit the Ezharakund Waterfall. The name Ezharakund means 7.5 pits, referring to the series of 7 beautiful cascading waterfalls and natural pools that form in the lush rocky terrain. Set in the Paidalmala hill ranges, this waterfall is surrounded by evergreen forests, misty hills and tranquil streams. The cool crystal clear waters flow gently over the smooth rock beds, making it a perfect destination for nature lovers. We have reached the base of Ezharakund Waterfalls. Here we have to buy tickets. By the way, this place is about 52 kilometers from Kannur. It's a 2-kilometer trek from here to the waterfall, but you also have a choice of riding a jeep at a nominal cost. The jeep ride is pretty rough, but I'm sure you'll have fun. Yes, we have arrived at the waterfall. Before stepping into the water, we are provided free life jackets. These pools are not all that deep, but just to be safe. The only drawback about this place is that it has very small rooms for changing with no facility to keep your bags or clothes or even take a shower before changing. That apart, I would say it's a great place and you must visit. After spending a few hours in the water, we are on our way back. Again, we took a jeep ride. Now we're leaving for Kannur. Here we are at the Arakil Museum, Kannur. The Arakil Museum offers a fascinating window into the rich legacy of the Arakil family, the only Muslim royal family in Kerala. Housed in a section of the historic Arakilkettu Palace, the museum showcases the unique cultural blend of Kerala's royal traditions with Islamic influences. The Arakil rulers once governed parts of the Malabar coast, including Lakshadweep and Kannur. Unlike other dynasties, the Arakil family followed by a matrilineal system, and the rulers were called Ali Rajas or Arakil Bivis, depending on gender. The museum exhibits a collection of royal artifacts, including ancient documents, swords, household items, furniture, and even maps and trading agreements. These tell the story of a family that was deeply involved in regional trade, diplomacy, and maritime power during the colonial era. Managed by the Arakil Royal Trust, the museum is not just a tribute to the family, but also an important record of Kerala's lesser-known Islamic royal heritage. In my next video, we shall see the St. Angelo Fort, Murapalangadi Drive-In Beach, and Theyyam performance both at Chimeni Sri Vishnumurthy Temple and Parseni Madhapura Sri Muthappan Temple.